Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo.
What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. For this video, I have a wig sent to me by Sensational. It is one of my favorite wig companies, and yeah, so for this video, it is a Dashly Lace Unit 18, and they sent it to me in the color 613. A little bit about this unit: it is ear-to-ear soft lace made with heat-resistant fibers. Available in fashion forward colors. So these are some of the colors that this unit's available in. And yeah, these are the cap features, but I guess I could just show you. It is an affordable collection of Sensational. So this is lace, but it's not a lot of lace, so it is more affordable for people on a budget like me. This is how much lace it has on the ear-to-ear part, so it's not much to work with. Like if you're one of those ladies that likes to pluck and make your hairline realistic, just keep that in mind, that it does not have a lot of lace on the side to work with. It does come with the baby hairs though, and it's a deep center part. It doesn't say how long it is, but I think it's like a 12-14 inches. Or is it 18? Is that why it's called 18? And I tried the ball cap method for myself before I started the video recording, but I just got so stressed with it that I gave up. So yeah, guys, if you guys are interested to see how I style her and how she ends up looking for me, go ahead and keep watching. I will leave the chapters down in the description box if you guys want to skip forward to the end, the final look review. You guys, thank you so much for joining me, and yeah, you guys.
Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Entre las bromas, ay, yo lo sé, que te enamoraste y yo, bebé, real no soy perfecta, amor que me inyectas, no me dejas quietar. Soy tu bebecita, te espero ya mis páginas donde no están escritas, porque los dos contigo podamos pintar donde vamos a estar y nos va a encantar. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Eres mis ganas de no estar con nadie más. Me pongo roja si preguntas cómo estás. Es que tus besos me saben a miel y toca tu pie también. Al corazón directo llegarás. Te quiero más de lo que quiero. Al final tengo un caballero. En mi vida no habían sido tan sinceros. Eres mi bandolero. Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño.
So you guys, this is my final look for Dashly Unit 18, and I really like her. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to pull her off without the ball cap method, but look, I feel like if you guys aren't professional at the ball cap method or aren't as familiar with it like I am, just get a cap that's almost the skin color of your the color of your skin tone or whatever, and just try to blend it. You know, you can blend it in with your foundation. I didn't glue her all the way down on the sides. I just, like, you know, focused on the front area because I'm not trying to like put her behind my ear. Even though if that's like a look you guys were going for, like this is how it will kind of look. Ooh, I guess she's kind of cute this way too. It is kind of like a lot of hair. She is like a thicker density to her. She doesn't tangle at all. Like, you guys can see me running my fingers through this unit so easily. So I don't see any problems with tangling with this unit, so that is definitely a plus. So it does have like that everyday wear to her, I guess, if that's something that you guys are into. Now with the 613, you guys know that the tracks may be a problem sometimes, but you can see them. I mean, see through them, because it's like a light color. But besides that, and then the hairline, it just has a little bit of lace front, so it's not much to work with. But as you guys can see, it's still pretty good. For the price, and like I had said, this unit goes for about $20 to $25 depending on where you guys get her from. Hey. She is definitely cute, and again, this is just like an affordable collection. So if you guys are interested in any other looks, make sure to check out more Dashly collection units. They're all affordable and have this little lace front to them. But yeah, you guys, I'm not trying to make this video super long or talk forever. If you guys have any questions on her, or if you guys want to share your thoughts about her, go ahead and comment down below in the comment box. I will leave some links to her in the description box if you guys are interested in getting her. Or you guys could, again, just Google Dashly Unit 18 and pick your favorite store. Again, it does come in a lot of fun colors, so that's that. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Shout out to Sensational for sponsoring this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, hit any button down below, and that'll mean so much to me, you guys. I love you. Bye.
How we do? Se acabó. Free drinks in the house.
Baby, un poquito